Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Venom in a side view. We have a couple of these on the channel, like as far as Venom goes, but I want to keep drawing him in different poses, and a lot of people keep asking, so that's it. Let's do another one. Kind of like a profile view. Let's do it this way though. So I'm gonna go over here. Gonna draw down the furrowing of Venom's brow. And I'm drawing just a kind of a diagonal line. By the way, everything is for beginners, okay? So you can absolutely do this. Short lesson too. Short, like 6 minutes, okay? So stick around to the end. I'm gonna go pull up for the brow here. Over here for the forehead, okay? And I'm gonna curve it back, all right? Go over here, curve back the back of the head here. With me so far? Cool. I'm gonna pull out, down over here, and I'm gonna pull a. Let me see. I'm gonna pull like a, what do you call it? Like a curved line here for the smile. Okay. Right there for that smile. Gonna pull down over here for opening of the mouth. Gonna go over here and throw a line here for the skin in between the skin over here for the side of the mouth. And I'm gonna throw a line down, up, right there, down, up here, curve down, up, for like we're just drawing triangles for the top row of teeth. Very, very simple stuff and really easy to utilize. Line over here, out over here, up for the tongue. It's just like a simple curve, nothing wild. Down over here, out, cap to the chin. I'm going to throw a line backward here so from chin to jaw. That's a very big area right there. And then from jaw up into the kind of rear part of the jaw there. Right on. Curving down, out, up, down over here, down, line, 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 line. So the little lines along that skin area, because I want it to look like tight looking skin. And then over here, I'm gonna pull. So I'm gonna pull like the overall shape I want is like an eyeball, right? Really big, wide eye. But I'm gonna think about it the way I think about fire. So think about just trying to draw fire, meaning these jaggedy zigzag lines in every direction. And it can be, you could just change it up. It could be anything. Like so. Line underneath. All right. We doing good so far? Hopefully you are. If you do like the lessons here, hit that like button. It supports the channel. Don't forget to hit the donate as well. The channel is very, very different among the year, and it starts to explode into Halloween. But in the middle of the year, it's just scary drawings. Down over here, underneath the neck, and I'm gonna draw like a little bit of dark right here because we're not gonna fill Venom in with his black suit, because it's just, we're gonna kill that marker, and I don't want to do that to you or myself. So I'm gonna go over here underneath, curve, and I'm gonna complete the bottom of that tongue right there. Over here on this side, up. Uh, so that gives it some sort of depth. You're seeing the back kind of his mouth area, and that kind of gives it more depth. And that's pretty much it. Everything you do to him now is extra. You can draw like a line here, maybe a line along the tongue here to split it. You know, the tongue itself is really organic, so you can always kind of draw a couple of things like so. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for sticking around the whole time. You're amazing, okay? If you did, hit that subscribe. I'm going to be posting every day, and I'm going to post a story every day as well. Talk to you next time, and I'll see you very, very soon, all right? Hit me up in the comment section. I'll answer any questions this time. Stick around for that spooky stuff, all right? Later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.